As the Bootstrap panels are very great way to show the content, so I'm gonna use the panel of Bootstrap right after this text. So back to my editor, you can see in the side area right after this p tag, I'm gonna add the panel here. So for adding panel, first of all we need to define one div, and this div will have the Bootstrap class of panel, and then inside this div we are going to add one more div with the Bootstrap class of panel heading, and then inside this div you can add the heading to your panel. So I'm gonna add one h2 tag here and putting the content here to be categories, and this one will be the title of our panel. So I'm gonna add the Bootstrap class of panel dash title. Now right after this div of heading we are going to add one more div in which we can place the content. So I'm gonna add the Bootstrap class of panel body, because this one will going to be our body of our panel, and here we will add the content. So I'm gonna add the content to dummy content for now, and then right after this body you can add the footer. But before doing that, first of all let's save this one, and if I refresh this page of blog.php, you can see we got the panel here, but you can see the line right at the ending, but there is no color to this panel. So I'm gonna add the color on this category text. So here you can see the class of panel. I'm gonna add the panel with the color of primary. You can choose the danger color or the warning or the info color. So I'm gonna choose the blue color of panel primary. If I save this one and refresh this page, you can see we got very cool panel now, and this is the content. You can also add the footer to this panel. So right after the body, you can see the body is ending right here. You can add the footer div, and this footer div will have the Bootstrap class of panel dash footer. So saving this one, if I refresh this page, you can see we got very cool footer here. So for now I'm gonna copy this whole panel which we just created, because first of all we are going to show the categories, then we will have one more panel for our recent post. So I'm gonna copy all of this code so that we don't have to write it again, and I'm gonna paste this one right here, and now changing the title to be recent post, and the content will be dummy as well. So now we need to focus on the upper panel. So if I save this one and refresh the page, you can see we got two panels here, and first of all we have to focus on this panel. Now the first motto will be in the categories panel. We will extract our categories here, and we will place the link on our categories which will show the post on this main area according to our categories, which we are going to do in our next lecture.